Hey everyone, welcome to the Valar channel. Today I'll show you how to add your signature to a PDF document or any other signature. For this, go to Google and type add sign PDF, add sign to PDF, or add PDF signature. Click on add PDF signature. You can use any website for this. Upload a PDF file here. Well, let's just use any file. So I've uploaded one. Now click on signature. You can upload a signature photo, choose a signature type, or draw your own signature here. Click save, then you'll need to adjust it a bit and place it where needed. You can also customize the signature color. Choose a vibrant color, adjust the background, transparency, and so on. You can also select a layer. And that's about it. This has been Valar. Goodbye, everyone. After that, just click save and download. Goodbye, everyone.